The value of stock market is falling down. GDP values is turning negative. Global economy in this year likely suffering the worst financial crisis. Millions of people are losing their jobs in the world. Even we heard that an estimated 12.2 crore Indians lost their jobs during the coronavirus lockdown in April in India. And CMIE has released this data last week. In short, in 2020 we have seen many disasters, but believe me my friends, due to this pandemic there has also been a lot of opportunity comes. Did you notice some businesses are actually booming today? Do you know which type of business is this? Don't worry, I am going to tell you everything in this video. I am going to tell you why some companies are increasing at rocket speed. And if you have lost your job, or you are going to take your business online, or you want to do some online business which can be grow at rocket speed, so please watch this video series completely. I am going to bring two more videos after this video in which I am going to tell you that how you can set up your online business through Hostinger within a day. I am going to tell you through live demo how you can convert your ideas into live business with Hostinger. We have done enough intro now. Let me start the main content. So let's get started. Welcome back to all of you on my channel. This is Samiruddin and you are watching Samiruddin Consultancy YouTube channel. Today I am going to discussing about how we can financially survive the COVID-19 pandemic and global crisis with Hostinger. Guys, it's 100% truth that people are spending a lot more times online. So any business must requires an online presence to grow. And this is the need of our e-commerce websites, online stock trading app and online tutorials and blogs. There's a lot of opportunity to grow in these categories now. By the way, did you know that Netflix has just had its highest ever online traffic ever recorded during this pandemic? And online gaming sees over 100% spike in traffic. Same as hosting and domains providers companies like Hostinger have increased their users approx 40 to 50% on a daily basis. And Hostinger grabbing one new client every 3 to 5 seconds. So today everyone knows that there is no option other than taking the business online. Let us now understand what kind of platform we can create with the help of Hostinger for the development of our business. So think comfortably which kind of industries is running even in this kind of epidemic. Which industry is going to profit and after such pandemic? Which industry is going to reach the peak? I saw from my research that the industries that grows the most is IT industry, healthcare, edtech that provides an online education and e-commerce platforms. And I noticed that any industry that is serving through the web application for its customers is growing fast. Whether it is service provider or product seller. One thing is certain, if you want to grow online, then you need a web application. Whether you want to do blogging or selling your product online, or you want to give a service to your customers, you must need a web application. And as I told you guys that I am going to upload 3 videos in this series, in which I am going to tell you where you will get domain and hosting at most affordable rate, where the security and performance of your web application is also taken care of. I want to show you some demo of web applications before taking you that platform which I have made for my friends and my client during this lockdown with Hostinger. So let's log into the Hostinger's dashboard. Click on Manage. Now you can see the beautiful and convenient user interface of Hostinger. These are some websites which I have developed during lockdown. Let's see few of them. This is my Schoolpedia. This is a platform that makes schools and students together. And students can apply for school admission directly from here. This is a digital agency for my client. Now let's see, it is a juice shop which will be delivered at your doorstep. This is nothing but a CA farm. And this is my friend Rahmat's website, who is running a private limited e-bags company now. And this is a project management community blog. So these are some small businesses who run their website on Hostinger, and it runs smoothly and securely. If you are not sure about me, then let's check the website's performance on GTmetrix. Just paste here the URL of the website. Let's see page speed. It is approx 98% and all parameters showing excellent result. Now I take you directly to the Hostinger's landing page. There are two links. First one is www.hostinger.in for Indian viewers and second one hostinger.com for international viewers. But if you want to approx 92% discount including coupon code, will go through my link which is given in my description. Hostinger is gradually expanded in the entire world and today it has over 29 millions of users across the 178 countries. It offers multiple services. Hostinger generally provides shared hosting, cloud hosting, email, WordPress and APS hosting, including an amazing online store associated with Zyro. Hostinger is also registered a new domain at very less price. And finally, it has an amazing tool called Website Builder. It is very easy to use. Even a person who never has any idea about coding can develop its own website in Hostinger because Website Builder provides a lots of stunning website templates and themes, and even you can upload your own templates on Hostinger using it. Let's see Hostinger's plan. This is a shared hosting plan, so you can see here guaranteed 99.9% uptime, superior speed performance, powerful control panel and 30 days money back guarantee. This one mostly for beginners and you will get it at just Rs 59 per month only. And if you are thinking that which plan will be better for your business, so I personally recommend Hostinger Premium Web Hosting because in this plan you will create hundreds of websites including 100 email account, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, free SSL certificate for lifetime and twice allocated resources. Now let's see how you will get 10% additional discount through my coupon code. Just select your plan and proceed to checkout. If you go through my link which is given by in my description, you will get lifetime free SSL certificate and a free domain name. Normally you will get this plan at rupees 119 per month, and when you give my coupon code here, you will get an additional discount. Let's see. Coupon code applied now and price decreased. Even if you want to further discount, then go through my description link and tell me in comment section or mail me at given email ID. This is a giveaway from my side that you will get through my link. Apart from that, you will also get a free domain, so please grab it now. I am just typing randomly. And finally, sign up after checkout now. And then you can proceed to payment through your preferable payment method. Till now, we have understood that how to get hosting and domain to set up your business online. I hope you will get hosting and domain from Hostinger before my next video, so that I can show you practically how to create a professional website with the help of Hostinger. Now allow me, see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.